Hey, this video is to find the quarter 3 touchstone for reading on CTLS Assess. I can't promise that I'm going to actually assign it correctly, but I can help you find it. So when you're just on CTLS, like you should go to CTLS. You should go to Assess over here on the left side, and you'll go to Assessments, Test Manager, and it's going to pull up all of them. And you're just looking for the 4th grade ELA quarter 3 full. That's a lot. So I'm seeing quarter two, here I am. CCSD 4th grade ELA quarter 3 full touchstone. And that's the one you're going to want to give. Kind of confused because there's 2 publishers here, and I honestly don't know which one to do. We'll do Whitney Prather's because I know who she is. And then it's pretty easy. You just click Proctor. And then all this mess. We're going to give it post learning. You just choose all your classes. Bleep, bloop, 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 bloop. I'm not giving it to language arts. I'm just giving it to reading. And then you just hit enable right over here and you're ready to go. You don't have to, that's how you do it. And it should show up in their CTLS student account as an assessment. So there's that. And I was going to say, if you want to give it like paper pencil, because we all have those kiddos that just need that, you know, if that's something you would rather do, I believe you can go right here where it says print the test. And I'm going to include this anyways in the plans, but you can, there's the whole test. And I don't really care about the answer key. I just want the assessment PDF. So there it is, and I'll upload this to our OneNote, so if somebody wants to use it. I don't understand this, like the drop-down situation or how that's supposed to work, so that's kind of weird. But everything else looks like a basic test. So